Today's episode, obviously back on the Varadero. It's due for its MOT quite shortly. I've got a trip coming up in the next couple of weeks, so I need to make sure that obviously everything's ready. I did an oil change not long ago, that was a couple of videos back. I need to do the brakes today, new brake pads. So let's get started. The only differences with this side, obviously it doesn't use Allen key head. These are just normal bolts. So 12mm. Let's loosen them off. Out the grub screw. Out the bottom bolt. Top bolt. Just loosen off the pad pin. And just slide the caliper off. Pad pin, off with the covers, in the bin. Quick clean up of the pad covers. That's one done. There's the other. And the pad pin, I'll just run under the wire wheel again. Right, pad pin's all cleaned up. And just use the clamp to push the pistons back in. these covers over. Back in with the retaining pin. Grub screw. Making sure that's actually seated in place there, which it has. And slide back over the disc. There we go. That's back in position. Alright, last thing. Let's clean the old mounting bolts up. Bit of copper grease. That's the top one. And the bottom one. And that's the second one. Right, first thing on this, obviously it's a link braking system. I'm obviously not going to take any of the pipes apart. It's just basically these two bolts here, and then pull the caliper apart. Alright, that's the main two bolts. Obviously you've got the taller bolt, which is in the bottom, short bolt at the top. next thing is underneath. Need to undo this grub screw. And then the main caliper pin. That's the pin out. And that's the pads out. And yeah, as you can see, they are right down. Tiny bit left on them, so they'll be replaced. I need to remove the rear metal bracket. Obviously you keep these, they go on the new set, so obviously I need to clean them up, and the old ones in the bin. Again, pad pin, just give that a clean up. And I'll just give the pistons just a bit of a clean up. Alright, with the backing plates, they actually clean up quite good. Just using some wire wool. And the same for the other side. And for the brake pad pin, you can replace them. Maybe I should have actually ordered another one, but I know I can give this one a quick clean up. So under the wire wheel. Yep, that's come up nice. Alright, so that's the pin done. Just need to give the pistons a bit of a clean. Obviously don't use wire wool inside the pistons because you'll have metal fragments everywhere, so I just use a piece of wet and dry and just grab a rag. Right, next thing we need to do, obviously, to put the new pads back in is we need to compress these pistons in. Alright, just getting the last bolt in. And then just tighten up the top one. Right, only other thing left to do is obviously pump the brakes through, because obviously you've pushed the pistons back in, so it needs to build up pressure again. Right, so I hope that was helpful. Basically that's the front brakes done. The back brake I don't need to worry about, that wasn't done that long ago. The back brake it uses a slightly thicker pad, so I know they're okay. So I've just done the fronts for now. So as I say, any comments in the comments below. I love your feedback. I love all your comments. I am obviously on Facebook, Twitter, and I'm also available on Reddit as well, if anybody's on Reddit. So join me again next time, and thanks for watching. Cheers, bye.